Did you know most car batteries barely last 3 to 5 years, yet some drivers manage to make theirs last over 15? That's not a myth. It's the result of knowing a few powerful secrets that keep your battery alive and strong for decades. In this video, we will uncover the 9 hidden secrets that will help your battery to last over 15 years. These are the same techniques veteran mechanics use to make batteries outlive cars. So stick till the end, because tip number 1 is one almost nobody knows about, but it can double your battery's lifespan in hot climates. Let's dive in. Secret number 9. Keep battery terminals clean and tight. Your battery's terminals are like the heart's arteries. When they get clogged, everything slows down. Corrosion buildup acts like rust on your car's lifeline, blocking the current that starts your engine and charges your system. You will often see white or bluish powdery deposits. That's corrosive acid leakage reacting with metal. To clean it, disconnect the terminals, mix baking soda with water, and scrub gently using an old toothbrush until shiny. Then dry everything thoroughly and apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Tighten the terminals firmly, because loose connections cause voltage drops and spark damage. Keep them clean and tight, and your battery will stay strong for decades. Secret number 8. Maintain proper battery fluid level. Think of your battery like a living cell. It needs hydration to stay alive. Inside are lead plates submerged in electrolyte fluid, and if those plates get exposed to air, they start corroding instantly. Many car owners never check this level, which lead to dry cells and premature death. Every few months, pop off the caps and inspect the fluid. It should cover the metal plates completely. If it's low, only add distilled water, never tap water, because minerals can ruin the chemistry. Keeping the electrolyte properly topped ensures even charging and prevents sulfation, which is a crystal buildup that kills batteries from the inside. A few ounces of distilled water today can save you years of battery life. Secret number 7. Avoid short trips or use a battery maintainer. Here's a surprising truth. Short trips are battery killers. Starting your car draws a huge burst of energy, but short drives don't give the alternator enough time to replace it. So, over time, your battery stays undercharged, slowly losing its strength with every trip. If you often drive short distances, like quick grocery runs or school drop-offs, take your car for a longer 20 to 30-minute highway drive once a week. This allows your alternator to deliver a full charge. Alternatively, plug in a smart trickle charger or battery maintainer at home. It keeps the voltage at an optimal level and prevents sulfation from ever forming. It's like giving your battery a weekly spa treatment. Secret number 6. Regularly check the charging system. Your alternator and voltage regulator are the battery's life support system. If either goes bad, it can silently destroy a perfectly good battery. Overcharging boils the electrolyte dry, while undercharging leaves it weak and sluggish. To check, use a multimeter. With the engine running, your battery should read between 13.7 and 14.7 volts. Anything outside that range means trouble. Don't ignore flickering lights or slow cranks. They are early signs of voltage imbalance. Getting your charging system tested once a year ensures your battery gets exactly the power it needs. Secret number 5. Minimize electrical drain when engine is off. Here's one habit that kills batteries faster than anything else: leaving small devices plugged in. A phone charger, a dash cam, or even a tiny LED light can slowly drain the charge overnight. Modern vehicles already have dozens of modules running in the background, from the alarm system to the ECU memory, so every little drain adds up. Before leaving your car, double-check that all lights are off and nothing is plugged into the 12-volt socket. If you store your car for more than a few days, disconnect the negative terminal or use a maintenance charger. Avoiding parasitic drains prevents deep discharges, and deep discharges are what cut battery life in half. Secret number 4. Use the right battery type and size. A battery isn't one size fits all. Using a cheap or undersized battery forces it to work harder than it should, especially during cold starts. Always match your car's requirements for cold cranking amps and reserve capacity. If you want serious longevity, upgrade to an AGM or gel cell battery. They resist vibration, handle deep cycles better, and recharge more efficiently. These premium batteries cost more upfront, but they can easily last 10 to 15 years with proper care. It's like choosing between a bargain phone that dies in 2 years. Invest once, benefit for years. Secret number 3. Secure the battery and reduce vibrations. A loose battery isn't just a nuisance, it's a silent destroyer. Every bump, every pothole causes micro vibrations that crack internal plates and loosen the electrolyte structure. Always make sure your battery is properly clamped using a stable bracket or hold-down clamp. If you drive often on rough roads, also check that cables aren't pulling or stretching against the terminals. This simple mechanical protection can extend battery life by several years. It's one of those tiny things most people overlook, but professionals never do. Secret number 2. Keep your battery fully charged in winter. Cold weather is brutal on batteries. Chemical reactions inside slow down, reducing the available cranking power by up to 50%. That's why cars often struggle to start on freezing mornings. Before winter arrives, check your battery's charge and make sure it's above 12.6 volts. If it is lower, give it a full charge overnight using a quality charger. During the season, drive at least 30 minutes once or twice a week to keep it healthy. Also, turn off accessories like seat warmers or defoggers before shutting off the engine. That last-second load can cause a voltage dip. Keep it fully charged, and winter won't stand a chance. Secret number 1. Creating a thermal shield. One of the most underrated tricks to dramatically extend your car battery's life is creating a thermal shield. Heat is the silent killer of batteries. It speeds up chemical reactions inside, evaporates the electrolyte, and warps the lead plates. In summer, temperatures under the hood can reach 150 degrees Fahrenheit or more, which slowly cooks your battery even when your car is parked. That's where a thermal shield comes in. A thermal shield, also called a battery insulation kit, is like a protective jacket that wraps around your battery to block heat radiation from the engine bay. You can find pre-made kits online or make your own using heat-reflective insulation from an auto parts store. This simple layer of protection helps maintain stable battery temperature, reducing evaporation and internal corrosion by up to 50%. So there you have it, the golden rules that can make your car battery last over 15 years. Most people blame the battery when it dies early, but now you know it's really about care, not luck. If you treat your battery like an investment instead of a disposable part, it'll reward you with reliability for decades. Which of these tips surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.